out of the way. Don't bang his backhand.
I will try.
Try.
So what are the rules?
Yeah, the rules is slap the face, not the backhand.
Who's going left and who's going right?
How much do you weigh?
I recommend you take the right to take.
Left or right?
Left or right, you're fucked either way.
Yeah, whatever. You don't have to put the backhand here.
Like this.
Oh!
Oh! You have to lift the finger. If I what?
If you
And you want to give up? What's the see if I get that?
You have to slap a little bit deeper, yeah?
What was that?
Deep.
One more.
Bang a little bit deeper. You can slide something.
The whole hand.
Fine.
The whole hand.
Okay. But I don't want to...
Give him 5 fingers.
No, yeah, like that.
By the way, you have a photo shoot in the morning. Oh, 1 finger up.
I love it.
Yankees next.